Most days in the life of a service engineer follow a similar routine. When we arrive on site, because every site is different, it's really important that we carry out a site induction. That's where the customer can make us aware of any site-specific hazards or rules. It's important that we discuss with the customer how the equipment's been performing, if they have any concerns. So today at Kingsley Beverages, we're doing a RO chemical clean. This equipment is used to provide treated water that's going to go directly into the product. So it's important that the equipment is maintained to the right level of hygiene. So one of the things that we're going to do on this visit is create a closed loop, and we're going to circulate chemicals throughout the system, and that's going to remove any potential foulants that could cause the water to be out of specification. The very first job is to complete a risk assessment. So that's where we will look at the work area around us, we'll consider the task that we're here to do, and we'll make sure that any hazards that are present we're aware of, we know how to control them so that we can do the job safely without putting ourselves or anybody else at harm. Water technology is all about chemistry, so we're fundamentally changing the water in some way, whether that's removing one specific impurity or trying to remove all of them and create pure water. So it's really important that we test the incoming water first, test the chemistry, and then compare that with the treated water so that we can have a real good understanding if the equipment is doing its job properly. Service engineers tend to carry lots of spares in their van, so if we do find a component has failed, there's a good chance that we'll have the part in the van and we're going to be able to replace it straight away. We've got access to a technical library that contains manuals and schedules and drawings, and there is a technical support team that are on hand to be able to give us remote support as well. So once the visit's complete, we'll monitor the equipment while it's in operation, and we'll record all the operating parameters in a data sheet, and that will give us a snapshot of how the system is performing, which we can draw a comparison with in the future. Wherever possible, we'll have a conversation with the customer and explain the outcome of the visit, if there's any follow-on work that's needed. Sometimes it's really important that we sign off any permits and formally hand the system back over from a safety perspective. If we have identified any follow-on works that are needed, we'll document those in a quotation. Water treatment and water technologies are an integral part of so many different industries and processes, and I always find it interesting about the wide range of environments it gives me access to. So food and beverage factories, laboratories, hospitals, all the way through to steel mills and power stations. And it gives me a sense of pride knowing that the equipment that I work on and maintain plays a really hidden but important role in so many products and services that we interact with every single day.